Street, Lancaster. I'm Rachel.
I'm Megan.
And we're going to show you around our delightful building and one of the superior single rooms here at Penny Street. Please feel free to ask any questions when we're walking round. So Megan's going to go up to the room and I'm just going to show you some areas down on the ground floor. Okay, so CityBlock Penny Street is right in the city centre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the phone round and then you can see. So we have Sainsbury's just across the road, and within 2 minutes down this way, you've got all the eating places and other supermarkets. Within 2 minute walk, you can get on the buses that will take you up to Lancaster University, and there are also buses in the town centre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some areas on the ground floor. So this is our reception area. So when the couriers come with your parcels, we will take the parcels for you and then we'll drop you a quick email to let you know that the parcel is here ready for collection. The office is open Monday to Friday, 1:30 till 5 o'clock, and myself or Megan would be here to see you. So just through there, that's our work office, so that's where you'll find us. But you can come in here, have a seat, have a natter with us, collect your parcel. So I'm just going to take you round. So we have bike storage here. So if you do have a bike, you can come and put it on one of these stands. We also have CityBlock bikes. So if you don't own your own, you can hire one of these, and what we'll do, if anybody's interested, we'll give you the details on how you hire the bike from us. The canal, just out of interest, literally 2 minutes from here and you can be on the canal, and it's a beautiful route if you are going to go on your bike or even just for a walk. We do have here umbrella stand. So all the residents have got the umbrellas at the moment, but it is a glorious day today, so we don't have rain. All the flats, if you are in a cluster flat, these are the post boxes for any letters or mail that comes for you. So you'll get a key, and if any post comes for you, we'll just pop it in here for you. The studios and studio apartments, they do have separate post boxes. But like I say, we'll take your parcels for you and then we'll just drop you a quick email to let you know when they've arrived. So I'm going to take the lift. We do have 4 floors here at Penny Street, but you've got the lift here, but we've also got the stairs if you're feeling energetic and want to run up those. So here at Penny Street, as I said, we've got 4 floors. All the single rooms are on the 1st floor, 2nd floor and 3rd floor. On the 4th floor, we do have studios and studio apartments. But what we're going to show you today is the superior single, and this is on the 3rd floor, and it's in a flat with 9 people. So the lift is easy to use. You just basically press the floor that you want, close the door, and we're just going to head up onto the 3rd floor.
Lift going up.
So Megan's going to be in the room and I'm going to hand you over to the 3rd floor. I'm just going to show you how you access the flat. So for security, you get given a fob. Blue fob here. This here will open your flat. Now your fob will only allow you to access the flat that you live in, and people living in other flats, they won't be able to access your flat. Each room is opened with a key, so you have your own bedroom key, and like I say, the fob will get you into the flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand you over to Megan, who is here, and she's going to show you the bedroom and then the communal kitchen.
So this is our superior single. So all of our bedrooms are en suites. So everyone's got your own mirror and own shower as well. You can also, if you wish, you can bring your own shower head. You just need to let us know so we can just switch them out. And all the rooms also have the towel rail so they can heat up. Your button is just there and the switch is just at the top there, so you can just turn that on and off whenever you like. Plenty of storage space here. And then all the rooms are also a small double bed, and they also have under storage. So these ones here, these just pull right out, so you can put like suitcases, stuff like that under there. And the ones that are in the middle are just some drawers, so you can put bedding, anything like that in there. They also have a desk light, so reading, studying, anything like that. And the plug sockets over here also have the USB, which is nice and easy. Then you've got a little bit of extra space down here, just a little bit of storage. That is your window space. They are also double wardrobe as well, with just some drawers at the bottom. Open that, so you can an extra shelf at the top as well. It's a little bit more extra space. And then over here is the desk area. So there's a bit of extra shelf space at the top. And then just the bottom, all of them do come with a desk chair as well. And you just got a little bit of extra space down there. And all the rooms also come with these. So there is the fire plan. And there is also a quick guide. So on here, it just tells you your address for parcels, parcel collection. All the rooms do also come with cleaning. So the weekly clean involves your bedroom and the kitchens as well. And that is located on there as well. If you don't want the cleaning, you can just put a little sign on your door. There's no cleaning. We provide that as well. And you also have a full length mirror down here, and all the rooms do also come with heating as well. And they do also have an intercom phone, so this can be used if it's out of hours, if your friends are coming, you've got a food delivery, anything like that. You can just let them in through the front door. You've got some little hooks there as well. Bags, coats, just a little bit of extra storage. I'll walk through and show you the kitchen now. So this is your kitchen area. So because you're sharing with 9 to 11 people, you do get double of everything. So microwave, oven and your hob, and there is also another one just over here as well. You get lots of cupboard space. You do also have 2 dishwashers as well, and your other one is just located over there. All the kitchens do also come with your own lockable locker, so it's just a little bit of extra space, so you can just pop some stuff in there and you can lock it as well. You also get a little utility cupboard, So even though your kitchens do have the weekly clean, we just have them in there. So if you want to do your own ironing, hoovering, mopping, absolutely fine. Also have some fridge freezers, and also they are just labelled down the side, so everyone has their own shelf. And it's the same with the freezer as well. So, the kitchens also come fully equipped, so we provide like kettle, toasters, everything like that, but we do also provide pots and pans, cutlery, everything like that. You can bring your own if you wish, but if you forget something, it's not the end of the world because we do provide everything for you as well. Then just in the living space over here, so the TVs all come with a TV license, and in the TVs, so they have like Netflix, everything built into it. It's just a case of signing in. You don't need to worry about a TV license because that is all built in, so nothing to worry about with that. And they do also have a balcony just around here. And there is your view. We've also got plenty of food places. You've got bus stops on nearly every corner, and you've got the Sainsbury's just opposite the building as well. And just a few more lockers over here. They are all numbered as well, and you do get to get your own key with that one. Does anyone have any questions about the bedroom or the kitchen so far? You do also, with the building, it is 24 hours hot water as well. So that does include with the taps, sinks, and the showers as well. So we'll just pop that down and we'll just show you a little bit more of the building. All of the exits do just have the press to exit as well. We do just have a little like courtyard area out there. And so we have the lift located just there. We can also have the stairs as well. I'm just going to pass you back over to Rachel.
Hi. Okay, so I'm going to show you the laundry room that we have on the ground floor. Again, it's accessed with a fob. So in the laundry room, we have 2 washers and 2 dryers. And the great thing is, it's all operated via an app. So you put the app on your phone And while you're in your bedroom, you can log on, see if the washer is free, book your slot, and then come down with your washing and do your drying. So there's all laundry tips here, and then just guides on how things operate. The cost of washing is £2.80 for washing and £1.30 for drying. We do have seat here, so if you want to sit and read or listen to music while your washing's done, you can do. Just going to also take you outside. We do have an external bin store, so you just come out the back, and basically the bin store is here and it's accessed via a fob. We do have CCTV and 24-hour security here in the building. This is all the fire alarms, so we test this each week to make sure everything is working correctly. We also have a notice board here. So this is all of us here at Lancaster, so we look forward to meeting you. All general information. So we keep this updated with anything new that's happening. I'm not sure if Megan has mentioned that we do work with a lot of local companies, and when you check in, you get given this CityBlock card. So this gives you discounts in restaurants, local shops. There's a gym just down the road. So yeah, you just show this card and then you get all the discounts. We're just going to go back through to reception. We do have a maintenance team on site, so anything that isn't working in your room, you will log on your portal, and the maintenance team, this is Josh here from our maintenance team. Okay. So Josh would come and fix anything that's in your room. I'm just wondering if anybody has any questions. Is there any questions anybody has? Obviously, if you think of something afterwards, you can let us know. So I'm just showing you around. And as I said, we've got Sainsbury's across the road and Tesco's just down the road as well. Subway and KFC are literally 1 minute walk. Okay, so the average speed of the Wi-Fi, I think, is 200 meg. And I think you can have about 6 appliances in your room. So it is really, really fast. Has anybody else got any other questions? If you do think of something afterwards, you know, you can let ourselves know. This just shows one of the other sites. So we do put a lot of social events on. We have another building, Gillows, and we invite you down there. And they have a great big lounge, so we can do some events down there. We also have books that have been donated by previous residents. So there's quite a few study books here. You know, just feel free to come and help yourself to these, or if you've got any that you want to donate. Because obviously study books do cost a lot of money. Anybody else got any more questions? Okay, if there's no more questions, have a good day, everybody, and we look forward to welcoming you to CityBlock.